High-strength ropes. Types and materials. This video takes an in-depth look at high-strength ropes. This will cover topics such as: what are high-strength ropes? Materials used for high-strength ropes. Types of high-strength ropes. Types of fiber. And much more. Chapter 1. What are high-strength ropes? Natural ropes. Synthetic fiber ropes. Construction of high-strength ropes. Single braid 12-strand rope. Plaited rope. Twisted rope. Double braided rope. Hollow ropes. Diamond braid rope. Jacketed rope. Frequently asked questions. What are high-strength ropes made of? What is the difference between natural and synthetic high-strength ropes? Which rope constructions offer the most strength and durability? Where are high-strength ropes commonly used? Which rope construction is best for marine environments? How can jacketed rope benefit outdoor use? Chapter 2. What materials are used to make HEPA vacuum cleaners? Various materials are used in the production of high-strength ropes, with several popular options highlighted here. These are the materials commonly used in the production of high-strength ropes. Each material is further classified into various types, which will be covered in detail in this chapter. Aramid fiber. HEPA fiber. Vectrin material. PBO or Xylon. Polyester and rope. Nylon or polyamide. Polypropylene material. Polyethylene material. PEEK. Types of fibers. Aramid fibers. Kevlar, Technora, Twarin. Chemical structure of Kevlar. The physical characteristics of Kevlar include chemical properties of Kevlar. Aramid rope uses. Aramid advantages. Disadvantages of aramids. High modulus polyethylene, Dyneema, spectra. Chemical structure of HMPE. Physical properties of HMPE. These include chemical properties of HMPE. Uses of HMPE. Advantages of HMWPE. Disadvantages of HMWPE. Polyester fiber. Physical properties of polyester. Chemical properties of polyester. Advantages of polyester. Disadvantages of polyester. Application of polyester. Nylon fiber. Physical properties of nylon. Chemical properties of nylon. Advantages of nylon. Disadvantages of nylon. Uses of nylon. Xylon fiber, meta, aramid. Physical properties of xylon. Chemical properties of xylon. Uses of Xylon. Advantages of Xylon. Disadvantages of Xylon. Nomex fiber. Physical properties of Nomex fiber. Chemical properties of Nomex. Uses of Nomex. Advantages of Nomex. Disadvantages of Nomex. Chapter 3. What should you look for when buying high-strength rope? Key considerations for purchasing high-strength rope. Material. Strength. Diameter. Length. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right high-strength rope manufacturers for your needs.